Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again. Today I'm going to be cooking one of these. Well, a few of them actually. It's a potato, the humble spike. I'm going to be cooking Dauphinoise potatoes, beautiful side dish. Hope you enjoy the video. Stay with me, make these for yourself. What more can I say? Let's carry on right now. So we're going to need some potatoes. I've got Maris Piper potatoes here. And they're going to go in this baking dish, so I've got the right amount that I need to go into here. You'll have to choose whatever you need for whatever size baking dish you're going to use. I'm going to use some garlic, 2 cloves of this garlic here, crushed and added to the mixture. For seasoning, some sea salt and some black pepper, and we're going to need 300 millilitres of double cream, 300 millilitres of whole milk. And for the topping, we're going to need some grated cheddar cheese, or the cheese of your choice. Now, we need to peel and very thinly slice our potatoes. Of course, if you've got a mandolin, you can use that and it will save you a lot of time. So onto the hob with a pan. In we go with our cream and our milk. Crush in our garlic.
Now we're going to bring the milk and cream up to a simmer.
And let the garlic infuse. Then we can add our potato slices. There we go, pop those in. Give this mixture a stir from time to time so it doesn't stick on the bottom. Now we want to simmer these for about 2 minutes, no longer. We don't want these potatoes to be breaking up, we just want them to get a bit soft. Look at these, don't they look delicious already? They've soaked up all of that creamy garlicness. Beautiful. Now time to put these in the oven dish. Now we want to layer our potatoes gently into our dish using a slotted spoon. Then season with salt and pepper after each layer. So when we've done our last layer, a final little sprinkling of sea salt, touch more of our black pepper, then we can pour our remaining cream and milk over the top, just bring it up until it's almost level, and our final topping of grated cheddar cheese over the top. Then it's off to the oven, gas mark 5, for about 30 minutes, or until it's cooked right through and that cheese is lovely and browned on the top.
So after the 30 minutes, this is what we've got. Doesn't that look delicious? And now it's time for our taste test. And what does it taste like?
Wow, Dauphinoise potatoes, eh? Beautiful. A lovely taste of the potatoes, the cream, the garlic, the seasoning. A wonderful side dish for any meal. Thank you so much for watching this latest video of mine. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and then you'll see all my future videos. Thank you so much again to all my faithful subscribers, and I hope you still enjoy my videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now.